Today we have come with a very simple recipe for Pudina mint chutney, which can be had with tikkis or kebabs and is extremely delicious. So let's start the recipe. For this we need half cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves, 3 to 4 cashews, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, half a piece of ginger which I have cut into small pieces, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, and half a cup of curd. 3 to 4 green chilies. If you want it more spicier, then add 5. Now to a mixer jar, add all these ingredients that we had taken, that's the coriander leaves, pudina, ginger, then cumin powder, black salt, normal salt, lemon juice, and green chili, cashew. Add all these ingredients and we are going to grind it coarsely without adding the curd first. With these green chilies, I had not kept it in the first clip, so I'm adding it now. So don't forget to add the green chilies. If you want it more spicy, add more green chilies. Now without adding the curd, we have just ground it once. Now we are adding it curd to it. We are adding half the curd that we have taken. We have taken half cup, so we have adding half of the half cup that we have taken. Grind it and then add the remaining and grind it into a fine paste. See the consistency of the mint or pudina chutney. It's so creamy, so delicious. You can enjoy it with tikki or kebabs. It's very easy to make. It tastes like the restaurant. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching.